about your trip to Ghana already on day number 3. What are you going to tell them if they ask you?
I'm going to tell them where did I go and what did I see.
Yes. Where did you go? And what did you see so far?
I saw a butterfly that was black and white.
And tell them when you saw the butterfly before.
I saw the butterfly when I was a baby.
When you were a baby? It's so good to see
Same
the butterfly. Yeah.
You are an excellent sport.
Okay.
So
Let's introduce your parents. Mama.
And Baba.
Yeah, and Baba. You introduce them. Call them down to be with you.
Mama and Baba.
Okay.
Satet and Shabaka.
Satet and Shabaka. Come on down. Whoa, we're raising a nation. Come on down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I feel great that I have a family. I like to have them so much. I speak 3.
Speak 3 languages? What 3, baby?
I speak English, Kiswahili, and Tree.
Oh, baby. I know. Tell us more. We want to know you better. Tell us what you tell us everything. What do you want to be?
I want to be a scientist when I grow up.
You are a scientist. You are a scientist. What type of scientist? Science is a broad field. Is there a specialty area that you're interested in pursuing?
I'm learning about technology.
Oh, upgrade. Upgrade mama snacks.
I traveled to Texas and Jamaica and Washington, D.C. Ghana.
Hey, that's in the resume. What's your age? What's your age?
6.
6. Wow. Yeah. And then let me ask you another one. Let me ask you one more. Listen, family. Listen, family. Listen, family. Listen. I asked her what her age is. Now, how old are you?
I'm 6. I'm gonna be 7 on December 28th.
Holla, Capricorn, what do you match?
I saw Marcus Garvey and I saw him at his house.
In Jamaica? Which home?
And then I went to Washington, D.C. At Washington, D.C., we saw Westgate.
Yeah, you're doing a great job. Anytime. Are you comfortable? We can readjust. You're doing fantastic. Give my sister a round of applause. Let her readjust herself. You got a long ride and you got a long list. A child is leading the way. And he and she that has the eyes to see and the ears to hear, let them see and hear. Catch it where you can and leave the rest alone.
I'm going to interrupt because I'm going to hand for the parents.
Yeah.
We want parents we need. We need to support these parents.
We're going to pass the mic to mama to the queen. You know? Here's the thing. The divine feminine. Every one of us sisters on this moving, miracle-making bus that's spreading its, what you call it, sis, the other day, love, light, energy that we are.
27 radiant suns.
27 radiant suns. 27 radiant African beings doing our divinely ordered perfect work. bringing us this divine wisdom download from the ancestors.
Good morning, family. Good morning. I'm Satet Nepakara. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm here with my husband, Shabaka. And the reason for her being here is that from the day she was born, the mission is to have her fall in love with her African self.
Oh, hallelujah!
In the States, we have people taking trips to Disney. Children are in love with Nickelodeon fictional characters, but she needs to be in love with self. So that's why she's here at 6. She may not remember, but this will always be in her spirit.
She won't remember that.
No, she won't remember. Oh, she won't remember. Definitely. Especially when it says Africa.
When I went to Kemet in 2010, she was in my womb, and since she's known that, she's always wanted to bring me to Africa, and so Baba made it happen.
It takes a whole family, original family. Don't let nobody tell you that African family is alive. Well, hey, hallelujah! I'm telling you, brother. Let me just say this. We went out to the club last night. We were clubbing. It was great. Nightlife was great last night. When we came in, I don't know what time it was. Brother was in rank, sitting comedic. Hey, sitting comedic style. I've been to Kemet. 9x4 took me there. Dr. Asa Hilliard. The Nile Valley is where we originated, right, sir? That's right. If you've been to Kemet, raise your hand. I want to know. If you've been to Kemet, raise it high. I want to know. If you've been to Kemet and the melanin runs deep and the ancestors are pleased and you know it right now, raise it high. Oh yes, my word don't return void. It goes to accomplish that will. And this baby is a sign, a clear, bright sign. And this family is a sign, just like the resurrected Christ consciousness. You feel me?